going, Henry?
Good. I've only got a quick lunch break at school today, so we've just gone on a quick walk. We've done 0.5k one way, and then we're just going back. So then we will have done 1k. Isn't bad, considering we can't actually go for very long because I only have a short lunch break. As you probably know, me and my mum cook a lot, and right now we have a lemon drizzle cake in the oven. It's almost ready. After it's done, we're going to make the lemon drizzle with lemon juice and sugar and put it all over it. I can literally hear it like bubbling and like the bubbles popping where it's so hot.
Satisfying?
Kinda, yeah.
Use those muscles.
Oh,
that was loads. I saw that come out. Oh, you got it going now.
once you need to just like get it going. Juicing done, now for the drizzle.
Come on, chef.
So, apparently, I didn't see this, but apparently Henry made this lemon drizzle cake today. So what was in it, Hen? Prove to me that you made it.
So you've obviously got so it's cake. So you got...
We know it's cake. Has it got cake? Has it got cake in it?
It's got a lot of cake in it, like some good cake in there. So obviously you got like the flour, you got the eggs, you got the milk. For the drizzle, you got the sugar, you got the lemon juice, all mixed together, drizzled on top. It's gonna be good.
Sounds like
I hope it's gonna be good.
Sounds like you know what you're talking about. Okay. Ready, bit of cream. Always go with a bit of cream. I don't like anything dry. Got to have something on it.
I'm the complete opposite.
Ready?
Don't die on me.
What are you trying to do to me, man?
Don't die on me.
Good. It's really
good?
moist. Not dry. Nice and soft. Still warm, actually. It's lovely. Good job. Good job.
Glad you like it. Look at my cat. She can definitely smell tuna.
Fish, now look.
Yesterday, Bailey was after fish. Now look what she's doing.
Naughty cat.
She was literally in the dishwasher.
Did you find any food in there? Did you? Oh, licking the lips. Oh, lovely.
She definitely did.
Disgusting.
Oh my god. Oh my, it's actually snowing. That's crazy.
What's she doing out in the snow?
I have no idea. She just wanted to go out, so I let her out. Come on.
Not sure, is she?
Tonight, since we can't go out anywhere to any sort of restaurant, we normally go to Prezzo's if we do. So my mum has almost made us a Prezzo night. So we've all got pasta and garlic bread. My mum has her gluten-free pasta and gluten-free garlic bread. So she can still sort of have the same as us. This is very, very nice. Garlic bread's nice. Pasta's nice. You'll love to see it. This is a special ice cream scoop because it's metal. You can then just run hot water on it, just on the back and just on the front as well. And then you can then scoop the ice cream really easily because it's hot. And then it just slides through the ice cream. And it starts like melting it as well a little bit. At Prezzo's I always have chocolate chip ice cream. And this is pretty much the exact same. Yesterday it was snowing, remember? And today, look at this. The weather is very nice.
Perfect for goalkeeping, Hen, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's
Ready
go.
to go. Morning guys, it is a lovely day today and that means we're going to be doing some goalkeeper training. I am wearing the Okami betas. There is going to be a new variant of these out with a blue backhand and a green backhand, and I'm going to be doing a review on them gloves very soon.
And I've got a pair of Roysh. I've had these for a long while. Roysh, I don't even know what they're called, but they're one of the first like almost strapless gloves, very thin on the back, not much protection, really soft latex as well. First time I used them, I did that on landing. So lovely gloves, very expensive, but I wouldn't suggest you buy them because they wear so quickly. But yeah, really nice glove, almost looks strapless, little strap on the back. So let's go. Fine, leave it there. He's warm now. He's taken his hat and his snood off. Hang on, this is the dead ball from last week.
Wonder what you were doing. Sorry.
Oh, save. I was going to punish him for the bad throwback to me, but he saved it. Good job.